Okay. Index 3. Kill false. Disconnect that. Select 0. Oh, okay. Got it. Hmm. Let's repeat text. Repeat text is false. I need more info. Whoop. Oh, we run again. Happen. Try again. There we go. Okay. Let's look at our glitch. All right. Oh, okay. It never. Never makes it past this. Map controller just. So that should hit. Oh my god, is it really going to be this simple? False. Oh, please let that be the answer. So if anybody's actually watching this, I've had this issue for weeks now where in the Philly Fiasco, when you get a selection, a a choice selection pop up. Sometimes when you click, it just freezes, and you have to click around a bunch. Might have just figured out why that's happening. Let's see. Nope, I did not. Oh. Darn. Okay, so it hits here. It does. Text is 43000 43000. Repeat text. Oh. Oh. Huh. Okay, so going through this loop. This should set it to true. And then it should hit this, but it's not. But it does, it works sometimes, so. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Okay, let's. Actually, I don't even know if that's where it's hitting. Try again. Okay, happened again. Let's take a look at the debug. Okay, hit equals 1, so okay, so it should hit this switch. Hits the switch. Well, it's not getting there. Okay, let's see. When was the last time it hit it? I gotta turn down this audio, jeez. Alright. Okay, text equals -1, text equals -1. Okay, text equals 3, so it gets here. And that's the choice, so text equals -1 next. Oh wait, that's before. Okay, so before text is 3, repeat is true. Okay, yeah, okay, and then this is where the choice comes in. Text is -1 because you have to make the choice. See, index is 0. So I don't think kill matters. Okay, repeat text is true. Repeat text true. Oh, what happened there? Okay. Repeat text is false. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is after clicking. We clicked helpful. Why did that get set to false? Oh, because of this. Right? After. No. Alright, what just happens if I set these to true? This is definitely part of what's causing this issue. I love glitches so much. Go to house, talk to Mare. Alright, it fails, so it's certainly not that. Man. This glitch sucks. You know, I wonder... Oh, okay. Okay, so I have to take note of where the mayor's standing in the room and then click there when it freezes. And maybe that resolves it. Huh. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so she's standing over here. We talk to her. Helpful. Oh, that didn't work. Talk to her. Alright, there it froze. If I click over here and then click, no? Oh my god. What is going on? Map. Back. No? Oh, I must have made it worse then. That usually fixes it. Okay, okay. Probably this then. Maybe? Stuck in coding hell all night. at all. Let's reset. Throw that back at the top. Throw this back at the bottom. Run it again. Basically the bug I'm looking for is sometimes, although now it's happening like every time, when a dialogue choice pops up and you click which option you want, it just freezes and you have to click around a bunch for it to work. I'm not sure why that's happening. So, yeah. And now it's happening every time, which it never used to, so I'm doing something wrong. So I made a little debugger to try to figure out where the values are changing, but I'm not that smart, so I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I think it's because this repeat text is being set to false, which isn't going to trigger the dialogue again, but I'm confused because I should set this alarm to set it back to true. But I don't know if that's not happening. Let's throw a debug there, because I gotta figure this out. Hell, we'll just even do a call this alarm. Alarm and bump. Oh, let me know if you can hear me talking too. My wonderful monotone voice. Okay, cool. Right. Alright, the alarm is never being hit, which is part of the problem, maybe. I don't get why all of a sudden it's happening every single time. I didn't make any changes. Okay, so we gotta find where repeat text is false. I don't get... Alright, it definitely stops there. Okay. Text is 4. Let me see, where's text 3? I keep clicking too many times, and then it just gives me the same debug over and over. Okay, text was 3. We're good. The repeat text is 1, repeat text 1. Okay, so 3 we're good. 1 at -1 we're good, and that should be here. And when it's -1, you have to make a choice. Then the to text is 4. That's where it should go next. It hits... Actually, why are there so many -1s? Oh, I must have just clicked around a bunch. Okay. Then when it hits 4, so we hit this, we make our selection, we chose helpful. To text is 4. The C index is 3, that's correct. But then the repeat text is false, which is hitting here, but I set that to true and it still didn't work. Why? Alright, let me... There's no way I don't set it in the script. I know I don't set it in the script. Yeah, okay. Alright, we try again. I don't know why that's not working, but... Alright, for the tags, we start. Speaking helpful. Alright, still doesn't work. I don't know why. Clicking around doesn't do anything. Let me... Oops. Something under my keyboard. There we go. Alright. Let's do it one more time. Get those values refreshed. I'll just do one of everything. Helpful. Huh? Wait, why did it work? Lord. Okay. God, this is a nightmare. Okay, so I made it past the first one. Why did I skip to 6? Why did it skip to 6? On 4 we chose 3. Then it went to 5. And then repeat text went to 0 again. Okay, alarm hits here. Does alarm hit on 6? Or wait, no, it'll be 5. 5. Okay, so before text 5, repeat 1. We chose a 3, which doesn't exist. What? How did we choose a 3? Oh, I guess it doesn't matter if it's not -1. Okay. Alright, 6. How did this get set to false again? Oh, man, this is killing me. Whoa, wait, that skipped forward. Do you move there, mind? I think it'd be really helpful. I'm really... Why did that skip forward like that? Why did that do that? Okay, that must have been why we set some stuff before. What? Do I not have an after? Is it ever hitting that? Oh, I have it called... Okay, okay. That's stupid. Cases 5. Oh, I'm not up far enough. Silly me. Okay. 3. Repeat text. Text tree. So as soon as I click on one of these, it's going to go through it again. But then the text is -1. But 2 text brings it here, I think? How does that work? That has to be in the end text. Okay, let me see. Okay. What? With instance create object choice. But how does text get set back? If it's in this. Oh Lord. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. It should be in the choice. Here we go. Okay. Okay, parent.text equals toText. This is the... what sets it to the next thingy. Okay, how is parent set? Parent equals other ID. Okay, so that, and that's being called here, so that means that we're okay on that. Okay, do we have a toText here? No? I never initialize it? Okay, let's... okay. Text equals 3, -1. Text equals -1, repeat. So we should get the alarm hit. That's why I set these to false. Okay, so it runs through end text, it sets the end text and says, okay, the text is 4. Runs through this again. Alright, let's try it. Okay. It seemed to work that time. Is it that simple? Okay, alright. Okay, all I did was I initialized the toText variable. Why would that make it hang though? Because I am setting it. And it was coming... oh, I guess I never tested that. Oh, and I can't test it because it would throw an error. Because it's not initialized. God, I hope that's the answer, because if so, that's a really easy fix. Let me think. What would... I still can't think of why that would cause an issue, but that's fine. We'll try it with Alchemy Mare next. I'll click really fast through her. I will not complain if that's the resolution. Oh, no, wrong mare. Test her again anyway. Test. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Alright, let's find Alchemy Mare. Nope. And nope. Nope. It's Roulette Mare. There she is. Okay. Oh, nope. It happened. Alright, so where am I? Let's try that again. Alright, yeah, it happened again. What's my alchemy? Alchemy level 3 with no buffs. So, let's see. Less than 3. Okay, so it should be hitting this. Right? Greater than or equal to 3. Yep. Oh. No, not alchemy, speechcraft. I'm dumb. Let's go back. I can't remember what the speechcraft was. We're gonna go. Alright. Speech of 1. Okay, so we suck at speechcraft. Alright, we get stuck. Oh, wait. This. Did I take that out on her? Did I did comment it out. Okay. Let's comment that out. See if that fixes it. I think everything else is pretty much the same. Okay. That did seem to work. Let's try her again. Educational and... Okay, that seemed to work. Let's try it really fast. Alright. Okay. Let's go back to this mare. Yeah. Okay. Whew, that's not that bad. Okay, I think I might have figured it out. Hopefully. Oh Lord, I hope so. Okay, so 2-step thing. Go to all these mares. Add in, initialize this variable. I'll probably just copy that over. And then comment this one out. Let's see, target practice mare. We'll update her. comment this bad boy out. Scroll sorting mare. We give her that, and then I have text 2. What's text 2? Okay, this is different. I don't know why. Text 2. What? Now, why would I do that? Okay, whatever. I'll leave it as is. Roulette, mare. Wow, lots of stuff going on here. We give her this, and we comment out that. Now I should probably go and test every mare. Alright. Oh, we filling now. Let's see. Test potion mare. I'm gonna choose the wrong stuff. Yep, okay, that works. We leave. Test roulette mare. Oh man, she's like the same color as this house. Lucky. Okay. Yep, she works. Okay. Go back to alchemy mare, and yeah, she still doesn't want us to use the set. That makes sense. This house is empty. This is target mare. Oh, she's cute. Yes. Okay, of course you are. I don't have a mare mama. Okay, that worked. And she's sad. Alright. That worked. How do I have 4 tokens? How did I get 4 tokens? Okay, well, let me not worry about that for now. Oh, is that a glitch? Oh, look at that. Ah! Uh-oh, we got a glitch. Okay, just hit that. Okay, let's go back, see what that's about. Oh. Wait, that kind of stuck. Let me try that again. Whoops. Oh. That kind of stuck still. Yeah, why? Oh, wait. We still have a problem. Crap. I'm not convinced. Okay, I'm gonna throw her up in the air somewhere. Why can't I see the house? Okay. She should be... Oh wait, which house was she in? Target practice house 4. Okay. Alright, we're gonna throw her up there for now. Okay. So... Is that... Maybe I have to click really fast? I don't get it. Okay, yeah, I clicked really fast and it didn't work. Oh. But then it did. Oh, I hate this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, whatever. And then... What's my magic level? 2? Oh. You hit one target. I'll give you... Okay, and then she doesn't want to stop that. Okay, just hit the target. You already stopped. Let's throw her back where she was. Oh, we still have issues. Wonderful, wonderful issues. I love all these issues. Okay, so we had a problem with... I don't know how to fix all this. God. Why do I do this to myself? text 8. Yeah, I guess I need a lot more practice. Okay, just hit that target when you're ready to stop. Okay, and then she just keeps saying it over and over and over again. Alright, text is 8. Kill is true. I didn't think I was supposed to do anything if kill was true. Okay. Repeat text is false. Okay, let's... Alright, if kill is true and an instance exists, then destroy... Okay, kill equals false. But it didn't destroy it. Is that because it already existed? Hits 2, hits 2, hits 2. Or no, text 2, okay. Yeah, I guess I need more practice. That should destroy it. Kill equals true. P text equals false. If instance destroy. Oh wait. Don't know how that's getting set. Ugh. Okay, what if I do this? Okay, that works. Ah. Oh, but it didn't auto trigger her. Why is that? Almost works. Um, It's less than 0. Oh wow, what a mess. Okay. Endotexto. What the hell does that mean? Endotexto. What? The hell's endotexto? Oh, that's very, very bizarre. Okay. Very strange. Okay. I gotta reset that then. Oh, that is so very strange. Okay. Okay. Oh, one glitch after another. That's what happens when you spaghetti code everywhere. Okay. Womp womp. Okay. Yippee! That worked. Okay, okay. I have to fix the other mares now. Let me think. Can make sure they have to text, and this is off. This mare should do an endo text. Yep, okay. Anywhere there's an end texto, that has to be reset. And texto. So we have that at mare 4 and mare 6. Okay, well, that makes things simple. So, and texto equals false. Ba, 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 ba. Alright, now we just have to test everything again and again and again. Okay, let's see. We test the mares. Okay. Let's have her let us make a potion. Yippee, get potion. Let's get rid of that. Let's drink it. Yay! We're smarter than we were before. And you still let us make potions. Okay, that's wonderful. Onward, Mare Roulette. Let's yeah, lucky. Talk to her. Do this. I don't know. White 3. Oh, I'm gonna win, aren't I? Nope, I'm not. Blue 2. Okay. What point does it go down? Is it when you win? Let's see. Yep, when you win. Okay, that makes sense. This is true, you won't need it. Okay. Cool, she's cool. Nobody there. Target mare here. Let's have her say no. Okay, let's go back and talk to her. Oops. Let's hit a target. Yippee. You hit one target, I'll give you a token per target hit for the mare. Yep, okay. You got one token. Oh. Oh, that was kind of a glitch. I mean, that's not that big of a deal. I'll worry about that one later. Okay, helpful, good at solving puzzles. Alright, figure that out. Don't know. Okay. Go here, nothing in there. Go here, nothing in there. And here. Bookshelf Mare. Work. Child labor. Actually, I should change the verbiage on that. Okay, let's see. 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1. Wait. 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 3, 4. Oops. 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. 3, 3, what? Oh, did I do that wrong? What's that? 4, 3. Okay, yeah, that goes there. This goes here. 1, 2, and oh, look at that. They all lined up. Yeah, 20 targets. I give it to. Okay, wonderful. Oh, she broke. Oh no, she broke. Okay. Why did she break? Why did she break? Did I not fix her earlier? No, I did. Okay, let's compare her to this my 4. Did I not reset the hits? No, I do. Really looking for work. I'm definitely willing to be exploited by you for work experience. Youthful, full energy. How did I get stuck in that loop again? Oh, this is an annoying one to be stuck in as well. Well, alright. We're throwing the debugger back in. We doing the debugging. Where was she? Alright, now I gotta do this silly minigame again. Okay. Through 3, through 5, 4, 5, 1, 5. So is that gonna be 2, 5? Huh, okay. 2, 3. 1, 3, and 4, 3. 4, 4. Right? 3, 4. 1, 4. 2. Oh, whoops. Alright, so why is she repeating her text? Let's see if we can figure that out. Alright, text equals 8. She has a C, and that shouldn't really matter. Kill equals... Oh! I know why. I know why. Because we're going to throw an else in front of this. Yippee! Now we're going to try again. Have you tried fixing it with glue? I wish it was that simple. I wish I could throw glue all over this code and just have it work right. I wish I could hit my computer with a hammer, and then not only would that feel good, it would... I mean, hammers fix things. I need to fix my code. Alright, let's see. We go in here. Work. I'm an exploitable filly. Alright, here we go. Let's see. We're doing 2, 4, 1. Wait. Whoops. 2, 4. Yeah, okay. 3, 4, 4, 4. 1, 3. And if anybody's asking why I'm saying these random numbers, I'm looking at the debugger and cheating to get through this minigame. 4, 3. 3, 3. 3, 2. 1, 2. 4, 2. 2, 2. 1, 1. 4, 1. I'll get some of these wrong just to see what happens. Oops. Yeah, we're doing it all wrong. Okay. Wow. Well, she seems happy that I screwed up, but that's fine. Yes! Okay, that worked. Okay, see those empty shelves over there? Yeah, I sure do. I sure do. Okay, but we shouldn't be able to sort shelves over and over, so I'll figure that out later. But that's fine, because I think we figured out a big problem. So let me refresh the workspace. We're on workspace 35. I've only done this 35 times. Okay, so big problem is with all these mares, there should be an else after this statement. Otherwise, they goof up. They really mess up bad. Okay, why doesn't this like my else? Why? Oh, that, yeah, that's the wrong one. There we go, goes there. Yep, okay. Star Portal. She exists? I did not even know this mare existed yet. I don't think I have her spawned. Yep, no, that's right. That's correct. And our roulette mare needs to be fixed. Oh, but that's not how I fix her. Here we go. Oh. Just looking through them again. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Oh, now I should... I'll leave these debugs. Why not? Okay. What to do now? I've been looking to fix that issue for a while, and I probably should have done it a while ago. And now that I'm free of it, I have to think of what to do next. I should probably work on another mini game. Preferably the forage one. I don't really have an idea of what I want to do for it, but we can probably figure that out. Maybe I can... Let me think. I can make it like whack-a-mole with apples. If you get a bad apple, you have to whack it. What's that even look like? Okay. I can have you pick up apples and put the... Why would apples be growing inside? That doesn't really make sense. Maybe apple sorting through good apples, bad apples. Okay, let's start with making apple sprites, I suppose. We should have sprites to work off of. Do you think Kanye plays MareQuest? I don't know if Kanye plays MareQuest. I don't know if I want to know if Kanye plays MareQuest. I like to think he does. I like to think everybody plays MareQuest and becomes better for it. Let's see. Let's see. Here's our wonderful green apples, 48 by No, 44 by 48 pixels. And these are half their size. Okay. Let me think. So 2 baskets, one sorts red apples, one sorts green. I mean, that's so stupidly easy, though. And you have to spin the apple to see if there's like a worm in it or something. I don't know. We'll just start and see what happens. That's the best way to do anything, is not have a plan. That's how I pretty much do everything, is just goof around until it works or is passable. Alright, I'm not sure how big this is going to be, so let us make a fake object. What the hell is this? Object 297. This sounds ominous. Random object 297. Okay. Well, object 297 is going to be our test subject. SPR green apple 2-1. Let's get our house room, which is full of odd mare creatures, and drag it in there. Okay, that's pretty heckin' small. That's not that big. So I probably want like double that size. And I'm gonna get rid of this sprite because I don't know if I use that anywhere, and I'm probably not gonna find out anytime soon. Alright, let's make a duplicate red apple. Whoops, that went all the way down there. House. Okay, I'm gonna make chest, throw these in here. I mean, sorting apples isn't really foraging, but it's the best we're gonna do. So I don't know how else you're gonna forage inside a house. I guess you could forage for like lint and stuff. McDonald's or hot dog? What? McDonald's should have hot dogs. I don't think they do though. Very sad. Sonic has hot dogs. They have like chili dogs. I haven't been to a Sonic in forever because every time I go they're utterly terrible. Alright, let's just call forage. Can I really not cut these? Okay, whatever. We drag them all the way up. Forage. SPR forage 1. No, forage green. Take a look at this apple. Let's double it. A little 200% there. Okay. I really wish I had the layers on here now, but I don't, so we're gonna have to make do. It's fine. We will make new layers. Okay. Oh, whoops, I just deleted the... Okay, there we go. What? No! Oh, why am I so dumb? Alright, okay. So, if this apple spins... we're gonna... want to move that. Okay, so let's just copy that. Womp. And then we're gonna move these in. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Don't like how that design plays out, so oops. Well, okay. We'll have this. Remember when Bob Ross said everything is a mistake, so feel bad about it? Yeah, that's how I feel all the time. Wise words from the late Bob Ross. Let's see. Let's do this. Does that look like it's spinning? Not really. Not at all. Just gotta force it till it works. Let's actually 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's implied that it's looking at the user directly. It's implied. And the leaf should kind of go backwards, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Womp, womp, womp. copy this and flip it. Womp. Right. Bump, bump, bump. And dun, 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 and then copy this. Bup, 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 bup. Where the green is in the front. What am I doing? Oh, wait, wait, what? Who am I? Okay, I think I wanted this to be over here. Maybe? I don't know, I'll just guess until I get it right. And then I want, this is gonna be kind of tricky. Okay, we get, okay, this needs to be flipped. Just like how I act like I know what I'm doing, but I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh yeah, this needs to be flipped, of course. I know exactly what I'm doing here. You can trust me, I make apples. Alright, do you want to grab this? What an ugly reflection. Spin apple. It kind of looks like it's spinning. I mean, if you believe in yourself really hard. Oh, God. Okay, the problem is the top part doesn't do anything, so it's looks kind of silly. I mean, it's gonna look silly regardless, but let's oops. I just got emailed that somebody's following me on Twitch, and I don't have a Twitch, so that's very interesting. Maybe I should just like throw this over here. Nah, I don't like it. I don't even like it. Okay, let's make it thinner. A little thin apple. Well, and then we're gonna make it thinner here too. And what did I do up here? I like moved things over or something. Okay, I think I moved these over by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I moved this over by 4. Let's see, spinning apple. It kind of looks like it's spinning. I mean, it's not very good, but it doesn't have to be. All right, now, now we should make maybe 2 variants of like bad apples. Okay. Bad 1. So we can make like maybe like a little worm or something. Little wormy apple. Little wormy apple boy. I'm really not even sure how to go about making a worm. I don't know. I guess like a little hole in the apple. Maybe I should start with the worm. Worms are like kind of pink, right? Yeah, like, what? Little wormy boy. I mean, is that good enough? Here, let's, maybe I can give him a sad little worm face. He's like, oh no, you found me. Stupid. Oh no, you found me. What? That's kind of silly and cute. I could go a little step further with the eyes, like. That's creepy. Creepy little worm boy. I I guess I could kind of leave him in the same spot. Like, does it matter? I can save on some pixels. Like, let me throw him here. Okay. That doesn't look super great. I could just mirror him like that. Oh, that mirrored the whole frame. Okay, let me. 2 worms. That's probably fine. I got 2 little worms. They're just gonna be hanging out. Oh, and then I can use that for both apples. So SPR forage worm, and then we can make a bruised apple. Bruise. So. Like a kind of. I guess I do kind of gotta do it like this. Does that kind of look like a... Nah, not really. How about we change it to black? Then we can... Oh. Okay, kind of want it to be like blue though. I don't know why I'm so hell-bent on having this bruise be blue. Man, it doesn't look very good. Darker. I can probably clean it up. Oh, oops. It's at 30. Move. Maybe if I have like a little bit of like apples showing, that'll look better. I mean, I guess you don't really see an apple like bruising with it coming out. I don't know. Yeah, that looks pretty stupid. Okay, I'll just... It's not gonna look good. It doesn't have to look good. That's fine. And let's just... cheap and throw one there. Make sure that doesn't... Yep, okay, looks good. Flip it, throw one down here. Come on. Okay, we got our bruises, we got our apples. Now we just have to make the rotating, whoops, rotating red apple, which shouldn't be difficult. Red. So we just take our, oh, I don't think this apple's right. Yeah, it needs to be bigger. So that is a, oh, you know, what if I have a bunch of different colored apples? Let's do 200%. Let's try something. Let's try something fun. I like fun things. Okay, how are we starting this? Doing that. Take it down a notch. Do that. Down another notch. That. Down another notch. That. Okay. We have a stone looking apple, but let's see if I copy this out and change the color to green. Now we have a green apple. And if I change it to red, now we have a red apple. And then if I change it to like yellow, now we have like a golden apple. I do have to split the leaf from it, so I have to take that into consideration, but I mean, I could have different apple colors this way. So, like red apple, green, well, that's kind of ugly. Oh, it's like a blue apple. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that. Alright, so let's, I'll keep the green one, but let's just make a, wait, white one there. Get rid of red. Can probably make this look nicer too. Oh, did I already? Crap. Stupid me. Oh. Just cheat. Okay, continue onward. Let's see. All right, and this is going to be 95. Um, $90. Yeah, I'll just, it's fine. $85. Maybe, yeah, no, 85 is fine. Maybe 80. Okay, 80. $75. And 70. Let's do 60. Alright, now we make the forage, I'll just call it white stem, but it's not going to matter, I'm always going to keep that the same color. So now I get rid of all the rest. So we're just left with the stem. Now we go back to the original and we get rid of the stem. Oh, whoops, wrong thing, okay. So now when we pick this up and I draw it in game, I can make it like green, I can make it red, I don't know what others, yellow, make a rare like blue, I don't know, the blue apple, or blue apple's a thing, but okay, alright, no, that kind of works. Alright, so now we have part of our mini game. Let me think on how I want to do it. I want you to be able to pick the apple up, rotate it to see if there's a defect with it, put it in a bad bin, and then sort it by color if it's good. So let me just figure out which house we're gonna throw this into. I think I set aside one for forage. Yep, I did. Okay. So baby J, forage apple. Forage apple. Okay. And since the whole gimmick of this game is being able to repeat the same day, but wanting it to be different per player playthrough, I probably need to determine in advance how many like red, blue, yellow, and green apples there are. So those are consistent with every playthrough. Well, let me see. What makes sense? 7, 14, 28 apples total, maybe. $28 apples to sort. Okay. What's that gonna look like? Apple G equals I random range 3. No, okay. Apple total equals 28. Total. Apple total. This is where I get super bad at math and look like an idiot for the next 5 hours. Oops. Game Maker's not responding. Oh, here we go. Let's just leave it as a variable. Let me think. I might have to look something up on this. Just give me a second. Does that always add up to 28? Each number must be greater than 3, but less than 9? Okay. I do admit I consulted the AI gods for this part here, but let's fact check it because I'm terrible at math. Alright, first off, I don't like that it's its own function. I really don't need it to be its own function. So let's get rid of that. Alright, creates an array, stores 4 numbers. That is fine, but I would rather it just be its own variable. Generate 4 numbers that sum to 28. Okay, total minimum value. Yep, that's what I wanted. Well, I wanted minimum 3. Oh god, this is where I start to suck with math. Random range, max, remaining equals total numbers. Then it runs through this for statement. Oh, did it give me another function? Yeah, it sure did. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. No. We're not doing that. Nope. Bad AI. Okay, not using AI. I just gotta figure this out for myself. Oh, this for shame. But I do like this part. Okay, so... we'll just keep... I think that's what I started with, so that really didn't help at all. Okay, let me think. What's the stupidest way I can code this? I don't really want to code it like this, but let me do the fun part that I feel like doing, which is drawing the apple. So we're going to... So for every apple we generate, effective equals choose true or false. Okay. If effective, well, let's initialize one called worm and just do false. Okay. If I don't really need that, do I? Do I? I could just have like a state machine where... Okay. Oh, but I'm too stupid for that. So let's just keep worm false, bruise equals false. Nah, I'll just worm false. Okay. defective equals true. Okay. Yeah, this will work. Defective equals true, then defective side. Whoops. Defective side equals I random range 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, that looks wonderful. Now we draw our stupid little apple. Draw sprite extended. I'm going to draw it. I forgot the name of it, but let's find it. SPR. What did I call it? Forge? Did I call it Forge Apple? A Forge Apple? Oh my god, why is... Okay. Forge White, yep, okay. Okay, we need a new variable called index. Index, whoops, index, we're drawing it at its own XY coordinate, we're keeping it the same scale, no rotation. Color, we're going to make a new variable called color, and alpha is always going to be 1, so it's never half invisible. Color equals... Should I just make it random? Yeah. I'll figure this out later. We just want it to work. Let's see. C line. What does that look like? Okay, that's fine. C red. That looks wonderful. C yellow. Wonderful. And C... Do I have cyan? Cyan? No. I can use hex values, but I'm lazy, so I'm not doing that. Aqua. Okay, I'm gonna have a blue apple. I'm just gonna get rid of this for now, because I don't really care about it. What is this? Oh, yeah, that's wrong. Choose. Okay, so we always draw the apple. We always draw it in its color. We always want to then draw the stem of the apple. But I don't really need to color it because it's always going to be the green color. XY should be fine. What else? Okay, so now we have a... Oh my goodness gracious, come on. Defective side, so we can do a switch. Defective side. Case, we don't do anything for case -1, but we do for case 0. Oh my goodness. Okay, so case 0 if index equals defective side. Whoops. Then we're gonna draw our, I need to see if it's a worm or not. Okay, so if worm equals true, we draw our SPR forged worm. Crap, does that really matter? I guess I do need, yeah, I need a new variable. Alright, so if we have a worm, we draw a worm. Else we draw the bruise. Draw sprite. SPR forge bruise. XY. We can just leave this on index because that doesn't really matter. This is 4 different kinds of bruises. Okay. Then we repeat this. Break. Alright, let me just make sure. So, okay. So we're going to be able to turn the apple if the apple side is equal to the defective side, then we draw the worm. Okay, and if there is no worm, then we draw a bruise. Let's do the same for this. Is there a simple? I mean, I can just. Yeah, actually, I'm overcomplicating this. I don't need to do that. I can just do if defective side is not equal to -1, then we just do that. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that should just draw random apples, and let's just make the base sprite our forage apple. Which house is this? House 5? Gotta close that down. And then I want to do if mouse left pressed, pickup equals true. Equals false. If pickup equals true, x equals mouse x, y equals mouse y. I mean, ideally it falls down and rolls and stuff, but I'm not that smart, so I'll just keep it like this. Hello, Summer. Let's see, mouse released. Ba, 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 ba. Pickup equals false. I could be pretty stupid with this, but let's, oh, I can make it so the apples like smash when they fall. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, but let's keep it simple for now. What am I doing? I'm going to the house, and in room 5, we're gonna put down some apples to play with. Oh, I want them to, there we go. Oh, most importantly, I need to make them delete themselves if they're not in the correct room. I forgot about that. I sure did. I think there's a bunch of other stuff we need to do too, so just grab that. Alright, if they're not in the house 5, they destroy themselves utterly. I should also make sure that that's not a good example. Why is everything so complicated? Alright, just grab that, throw this in the draw. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Alright, now we go find our apples and see how stupid they look. Oh, no. I need to do another thing. Okay, pickup equals true, blah, blah, blah. Okay, oh, come on. Man, GameMaker's getting super laggy. It's spooking me. Key press, I'm doing this the worst possible way. Like the most noobish way. There's much better ways to code this, but whatever. A, key pressed A, and switch index. We'll do if pickup equals true, then we switch the index, case 0, index equals 3, right, we're going backwards, yeah, break. 2, 2, 1, 1, 0. Yeah, I don't care how stupid this is. I'm doing it anyway. And then I want the same thing if you press the left arrow. Can you press left? And I think I can. Okay, left. Move this to here. Oh, yeah, okay, okay. I don't like, drop it, no. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay, key press right, so if it's 0, it goes to 1. If it's 1, it goes to 2. If it's 2, it goes to 3, and if it's 3, it goes to 0. Okay, alright, so we should be able to see if any apples are defective, but let's try. Okay, cat. Come on, cat, get out of here. Not right now. I know. Not ever. But I'm working, buddy. I can't have you be in front of the computer screen. Alright, let's find our apples. Nope. 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 Yay, apples. Okay. Oh, look, we have one that's bruised. Okay, so if I click them, I can drag them around. Okay, but that's a problem because they're not in front of the mouse. Or I can't really see the bruise. Okay, and then if I should be able to spin them. Cat, come on, dude. Get on my face. Alright, and I'm not going to be able to put them in front of the mouse, unfortunately. Which means I should probably grab them by the... yeah, the stem. Because that's always going to be a problem, because the mouse is drawn in the GUI layer, and I can't draw anything over it. And I'm certainly not drawing these apples on the GUI layer. Hello, Splash Games. We are doing wonderful tonight. Absolutely magical with a glorious migraine. But we gotta do it. We doing the thing. Let's see, duplicate event for key pressed, letter D. Whoops, that's wrong. Key press letter D, and then BK right. Okay, so step, mouse, we gotta find the distance between the stem. I want to hold the apples at the top of the stem, so. I think they're middle center. Oh, whoops, They are middle center. Okay, that's good. So it's like right there, so what do we got? Like top of the stem looks like, oh, did I not save? 48 pixels. Okay. So let's do y equals mouse y plus 48, right? Plus 48. That will make it go down. Okay, yeah. So that we should be grabbing it by the stem now. So let's see how that looks. I can't remember which room our apples were in. Is it here? Nope. Here. Yep. There we go. Oh, that looks so beautiful. And then we could, and there's a defect. We got a little bruise. So later, oh, that's funny. Why is it still, if I release it, oh, I can pick up multiple apples. Okay, that's wrong. Why did it not release? I don't like that. Okay. Cat, come on, get out of here. Get out of my face. Go do cat things elsewhere. Why did it not release? Oh, that's why. Okay, I gotta change this to global. Global mouse released. Global left release. Okay. Then we drop it. Okay, so let me see. Oh, I thank you, Perth. I'm glad you like my old music. Okay, maker direction. Actually, I could just drop equals true. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, so we're gonna make a variable here, drop equals false. equals true, else if drop equals true, y plus equals speed we'll start speed at, I don't know, 0.01, I guess, or maybe just 1. And then I think speed equals, oh no, speed plus equals no. Floor, color CY, alarm 0. Okay. Get back to my apples. Collision with oh my god, the lag in GameMaker right now is terrible. Alright, filler, house, oh, it's under target practice magic? Okay, whatever. OBJ wood floor. I don't like that. We're just gonna make a new object called wood floor forge. Because this should disappear if we're not in room 5. I mean, I'm probably gonna change this later, but whatever. Okay. Background filler. Okay, draw. Left down. Go below. Okay, I don't even know why those are there, but that's fine. Let's go back to our apple and change this event to collision with, that's a stupid way of doing it. I should do it in a step event. Okay, so if place meeting x, y plus speed I should put that in front as well. Place meeting x, y plus speed plus 1, because that's what it's, oh, sorry, y, no, yeah, okay, x, y plus speed plus 1, and then OBJ would floor forage. So if we hit a floor with the apple, and the speed goes back to 1, it resets, and drop equals false. Also, we should be able to catch it in the air if we want, so drop equals false if we pick it back up. Okay, so it falls down if it hits the floor, and if it hits the floor going at a certain speed, I want it to turn into applesauce. So I guess I gotta make a sprite for that. Forage, applesauce. I guess I can just be kind of goofy here and like in the right sprite, right? Let's make some darker lines, make it a little smaller. Get rid of some random parts. And maybe add some like apple seeds, I don't really know. Yeah, sure, whatever, that's fine. It's probably gonna look stupid, but whatever. Okay, applesauce 1 is gonna be the background layer, the colored one, and then the foreground will always be the same. We are going to make a new object for that. So let's go ahead and, oh, or Game Maker's gonna try not to crash. Oof, that was close. Alright, guess I'll just copy this and call it applesauce, but I don't nearly need half the stuff that's in it. Apple. Can't do any of this with applesauce, so I'm just going to not care. Defective doesn't matter, so I can get rid of that. I will do SPR applesauce. Yep, that should be right. It should auto inherit the color. And then this should always be the same, so that doesn't matter. That looks good. We can't pick up applesauce, so we're just gonna get rid of all that junk. Can't do anything there, doesn't matter. I think the only thing we need is the color. Come on, cat, get out of here. Oh, come on. And color doesn't even really matter because we just do see. Cat, stop. I'm serious. See, like, don't matter. This, none of that matters. None of that matters. Cat, get out of here, dude. Oh my god, my cat is driving me bonkers right now. 0. Doesn't matter. 0. Okay, go back to Apple. So now we're saying if it's going to hit the floor, then okay, if I don't know, if speed is greater than or equal to 5, we'll just start there. Then let's create depth x y plus speed plus 1 depth, I guess. I don't really know. G applesauce? What did I call it? Forage? Oh, forage applesauce, but we have to make this a with statement because we want to assign it the same color that the apple has. So color equals other dot col. And then we destroy the apple. Let's just destroy. Yippee! Okay. Now we go back to our house, and I can't see anything here because it's tons of garbage going on. So let me get rid of all that, put the house up so we can see the house outlines. We have a bunch of apples, but I want to draw floors. So let me all right, and what happened? Did I crash? No, I'm still here. Okay, so now you should be able to like throw the apple or move it underneath the floor there. I didn't really check with that, but I don't really care all that much right now. I just want to see if this works. Okay, we will, oh, no. Let me not test. Let me throw everything back as it should be. Make sure all of our stuff, yep, okay. What's up, Starbo? Fiasco. Alright, we're finding alright, here are apples. Everything's kind of looks like I'm expecting. They're all green, which I don't really like. Let's restart that. Let's go to a different house and come back. They should be different colors. Oh, look! We even see a little worm. But, oh! What the heck happened there? All of our apples died. Why did that happen? And the floors disappeared. I know why the floor... Okay, there we go. So let's see. If I drop it, bonk. Why did these blow up? Alright, but I should be able to spin... Yep, spin the apples, check for defects. Oh no, we got a bruise. Drop the apple. I don't know why they just... Oh, I know why. I know why. Okay, it's because... This. Alright, so... We gotta do if pickup equals true. Okay. We should be able to catch it in midair. Oh wait, if pickup equals... Alright, global offers. Pickup equals true. Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, that should work. And then the floors delete themselves because if there's no apples left, then they just, like, delete. Delete. They do a, what's that dude's name from, oh, Light Yagami. Delete. Oh, wait, no, that was the, crap, who was that guy? It was like the guy that Light hired at the end that kind of sucked at his job. Whatever. It's been forever since I saw Death Note. Alright, here we go. Pick up a yellow apple. Drop. Ah! It did blow up, but it's behind the floor here. Bonk. Cat, come on, get out of here, bud. Get out of here. Now, alternatively, I don't need to show you where that floor is. I should just be able to, I can have it be there, but, no. I'm just gonna not draw it. But it should still be there. I'm just not drawing it. Now there is a problem, and the problem's gonna be if you should be able to drag the apples out of the room, and then they're just not gonna exist anymore, I suppose. Which was this house? Okay. So if I... Oh, it still blows up. Bonk. Oh, it's probably way too fast, huh? Yeah, what the hell are you doing over there? Alright, let's see. Pick up the apple, we search, no bruises, but whatever, or go drop it anyway. What if I... There, I can just play... Oh, what's this? We got an error message. I love error messages. I love them. Let's see. Error message for left pressed for object obj ground. Unable to find instance for object index 141. Okay. I suppose I don't really need a parent object for this because this is going to be its own thing. Actually, you know what? I don't even need multiple of these. Let me get rid of that. I'm pretty sure I can just kind of be lame and grab one of these and make it really big. Because I'm not even showing it in game. I think there might be an issue with the what's it called? The bounding box if you scale these in world, but I don't know. So we'll just have to test that. But okay, let's see. What else are we doing here that I don't want to do? Yeah, that looks fine. Sure, whatever. Not doing anything, not doing anything, not doing anything. So, cat, stop it. Let's make these apples a little sturdier. So, let's say if speed is greater than 25? They might never turn into applesauce now. And then the next step will be having like little like a wastebasket maybe that we can throw the bad ones in. Philly fiasco. Yep. Okay, so pick up apples. We look at them. This one looks fine. Should be able to set it down. There we go. Let's test this. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, so, yep. We can drop them. Okay. Oh, isn't programming fun when it actually works? Like, I mean, I should be able to drag these out of bounds, and then it's kind of a problem, but I can do if it's outside room. If it's outside the room, and I don't know, I'll figure that out later, whatever. Bump. Bump. Pick up our apples, take a look at the apples. Looks wonderful. Oh, we got a worm. We got a little worm. Okay, so let's do the next part of this, which is sorting les apples. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, I already got a basket. So I can, let me copy that. All right, and we're gonna color these differently. All right, start with the, oh, that's nice how I did that. Okay, cool, cool, cool. 95. There, turn that off. 90. 5. 80. 75. 70. 65. Okay. So now we have our little basket, and when we draw it in the world, I should be able to color it. So it'll be like, oh yeah, blue apples go in here. Oh ho. Well yeah, red apples go in here. Okay. So let's do that. I could make one object for this, but I'm gonna make 4 because I'm silly. so we'll just start with 1 and we'll call it obj f basket red. Alright, and we will set it to str f basket. We'll do create event. See red. Draw event. Draw. Just sprite extended. If Game Maker stops being slow as hell. Let's see, we're doing SPR basket, oh wait, no, F basket, 0, XY, scale's gonna be 1, 1, oh, wait, oh, no, that's right, okay, color alpha 1. And we're just going to do collision. Sorry, I'm just thinking. Oh, alright, story filler, house, forage, apple. Okay. If other dot drop equals true, switch other dot color. No, I don't need to do that. Come on. If other dot color equals color, I'll just do correct plus equals 1. Oh, and other dot defective side equals -1. So if it's the correct color and it's not defective, then we did a good job. Okay, and then instance destroy other. Okay, and I'm going to change the hitbox on this. Oh, the hitbox is already right. So hitbox is this little tiny line up here. So you can drag the apple underneath it. Shouldn't be a problem. But if it's coming downwards and hits this box, as it should, then it should work. Okay, so we got that. I think that's all we need. Okay, so then we do it again for I should just call it green. Green, so C line. think. Okay, and then we make another one for blue, which I believe was, crap, what was the blue color we used? Aqua, I think, aqua? Yeah. Okay. And then we need a waste basket. Which this one will be a little different. What's a gross color we can use for... I'll just do silver, why not? And for this one, we're saying, okay, if it's drop-in equals true, and we're saying if it's not defective, then that's right. Okay. But now I probably want a controller object as well that counts up all these and sees what you get. So we'll just do obj f forage controller, and we're going to give it a I'm just gonna say right equals 0, wrong equals 0, and we're gonna draw some text on the screen, I suppose. So draw text. Right plus string right, and then \n, whoops, \n, wrong, I guess I don't need that all caps. Wrong equals plus string wrong. I gotta figure out where to write this on the screen, so I think that would be something like room width divided by 2, and I don't know, we'll just do room height divided by 2, so that should be in the center of the screen. Now we throw this into our room. We'll just be sitting there. And now I have to actually go back and modify these to say obj forage no, f forage controller dot right plus equals 1, and then dot. Now the smart way to do this would have all these being like a child of one object, but I'm lazy, so I'm not doing that. Oh, what's this plus equals? Okay. Green. Red. Oh, whoops, that's wrong, that's wrong. I'm not doing that yet. Okay, and the waste is a little different. That has to be obj f forage controller dot right plus equals 1, and this wrong. Okay, I think that is good to test. I might... Oh, wait, no. I gotta put those baskets in here, so... Oh, they're so little. Oh, I didn't realize how small they are. Okay, let's fix that. let's 200% him. And can I see the, oh yeah, I gotta change the hitbox on it. Okay, let's see those. Okay, that's better. All right, so let's do blue, green, red. Kind of running out of room here. Blue, green, red, yellow. Oops. And the wastebasket over here. I could make it so you like, maybe, I don't know, pull apples out of the, like out of a box or something. Let's just add some more. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we try it. Yep, okay, Oni. This will be the Philly Fiasco. It's coming out with the Steam community items. That's gonna be Mare Steam backgrounds and cards and emotes and stuff, and it's basically gonna be its own game within the game. So a lot of work until then, till release. And been doing these streams on the weekend to keep me honest and working on it. Because I'll be completely honest, I always dread kind of working on this. It's a lot of work and it's not easy, and I'm not that smart. All right, we test. Oh my goodness, how disgusting does this? Okay, this is a mess. This is such a mess. But okay, we test. I mean, it's silly. Alright, well, we know this is bad, so if I drop it in here, that should be right. I can't read that. Let me change how that looks. Controller. I'll just do oh, cat. What? Come on, stop. Okay. Cat. I'm busy. Draw set, H align. Center. Oh, FA center. I'm sorry if I'm harder to hear now. There's like a cat in front of my face, and I can't do anything about it. I've probably been difficult to hear this whole time anyway. Oh. And if you are listening, you can probably hear me just rambling on about nonsense. Okay, alright, well we can read these better, but they're not going to stay like that. Alright, this apple looks good. Drop it in, that's right. This apple looks good. Drop it in. Oh, this is a defective apple. This apple has a worm. So let me drop it in the green and it should say wrong. Yep, okay. This is another green apple that's defective. Let's drop it in the red. Anyway, it should say wrong. Yep. Another worm apple. A little worm boy in this apple, so we're going to bin it. Blue, that one looks good. Oh, worm boy. We got a worm boy. We get rid of that apple. Oh, this one has a bruise. This apple looks great. That's a fantastic apple. This one's bruised. We don't take kindly to bruised apples up in here. All right, red, wonderful. Blue, yep. Yellow apple. Womp. I just realized this looks kind of stupid with no shadows on there, but whatever. Blue. Oh, that's messed up though. Green is messed up. I don't even know I'm continuing this. I can tell it works, so it's not like we get anything right now for doing this. What I should do though is draw little shadows under these. I'm gonna move this one over because that looks stupid. Yeah, I gotta move this one over too. That looks dumb. Yeah, it takes apple with the hoofa. Alright, we're going to get rid of those. Let's Alright, I'm gonna try something. Okay, so image X scale. No, alright. If we pick it up, image X scale equals 1. Image Y scale equals 1. We change the draw events to image X scale, image Y scale. Copy that, put that there. Change this to C white. Get rid of that. Copy this again. Oh wait, that. Oh no! I do have to change that. Okay. That. Get rid of that. Grab there. Get rid of this. Okay. Now in the house, I should be able to do stuff like make this smaller so we can have like apples in the background. Like that. I can move this over. It would make more sense to have like a crate that we pick apples out of. I really don't want to have to draw a crate right now though. So, whatever, we're just gonna test like this. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, cat. Get out of here. Oh. Yeah, bugs exist, but congrats on releasing a game. It's never an easy thing to do. Whoops. Gotta restart that. Yeah, it's a happy cry. It's when she's happy but emotional. I use it sometimes. Yeah, see, she's happy. Oh. Oh god, that looks stupid. Okay, whatever. Donk. Can I pick up two at once? I sure can. Yeah. Cat, can you not? Can you please not? Cat, what is wrong with you? Why are you being such an asshole? Just like causing problems. Oh, there goes Game Maker pooping out again. I wish I could show you guys what my cat is doing. He's like cautiously walking in front of the screen, headbutting me in the face, standing on my chest, being as like annoying as possible as he wants attention because he's a creature. God. Oh, look at it saved my weird resolution, which is a good thing, but I want to set it back. Where did I have it before? Worm. If you hear a weird sound, it's my cat licking himself in front of the microphone. Alright, well that kind of works. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll expand upon it, but that's... Yeah, I mean that's not going to get much more complicated than that. Oh, so that's another house essentially figured out. And that will upgrade the foraging skill and stuff. Let me see. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got essentially one more house to figure out. And then I might do a lighthouse thing. I have to do the other island. I have to... Yeah, there's still a lot to do, but... I'm feeling good about where I am tonight. Okay, I'm probably going to end the stream for now. I got where I wanted to at the moment. I might work on this later tonight, but yeah. Alright, thanks for joining, and if anybody's still here watching me goof off and figure out my silly spaghetti code, you got to see how a mini game is made from scratch. So yeah, thank you all. Bye.